Hi crafters, Amy here with amyswares, and today's video is what it looks like when your husband sneaks into your craft room and surprises you with a card. So he went into my craft room to make me a Valentine's Day card, unbeknownst to me, and this is his process. So I decided to do a voiceover for most of it because all you would hear were long pauses and lots of drawers being searched through looking for the products that he needs. For example, the Misties that are right on the desktop to his left were too visible for him, so he went searching and found this stamp platform. But I'm very impressed that he's figuring it out. He's even using some Copic-friendly ink here. But basically, it's going to be my voice, but it is going to cut out in a second because I want you to hear his reaction and him chuckling at himself. It was too cute. So when it cuts out, it's not a sound issue. Just wait for it, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I'm back. Now I have this very spliced and sped up because there was about 16 minutes total. A lot of it just kind of a, blank, non-moving screen. So I did do some editing here. Here it was a little funny to watch him struggle with the magnets. He's doing great. Like I said, he would use the Copic-friendly ink here. I can't believe he grabbed the right one. I kept asking him, like, what did you use to color it? Because I hadn't seen the video yet. And he's like, heck if I know. And I'm like, okay. I was like, what'd you use for stamping? Heck if I know. So he managed to rifle through enough drawers to find what he needed. He's much more artistic than he gives himself credit for, but this is definitely not his jam or something he does very often. I was impressed. He even wiped everything up and cleaned up the stamps, so there was no sign of him being in there. He didn't leave any mess for me to clean up. So here, upon watching this, I realized he did use Copics. I got a little chuckle over him coloring with the chisel nib. Evidently what he's more comfortable with, but he's coloring in these cute little budgies. And I don't know if you saw when he wrote on the inside, he was using an industrial type of Sharpie marker. Like the kind I think they're oil-based. They're meant for hardcore, cooking ceramic, baking it on kind of thing. So go big or go home, right? But he couldn't find a stamp, evidently. So he just wrote, I love you, and that's why he was laughing at himself. So I just thought that was too cute. Here, he's a little bit off screen. I apologize. But, he's not used to filming. He was asking me, how do you avoid getting that light on your desk, on the reflection? So he did good. I mean, no direction on this at all. Like I said, I didn't even know he was doing this. So here's the finished card, and I was very pleased to receive it and watch the video. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and leave him a nice comment. I'll be sure to read it for him later. Thanks for watching. Bye.